So now let's start exercising with the question word kama. Once again, you're going to see a sentence in English. When you see it, pause the video, say it out loud in Hebrew. Most importantly, don't skip this part. It is very important to comprehend your speaking abilities. After you're done so, play the video and see if you got it right. If you didn't get it right, remember to write those sentences that you didn't get right in your notebook and rewatch the video until you'll be able to get the sentences on your first try. How many friends do you have? כמה חברים יש לך? I have a lot of friends. יש לי הרבה חברים. How much time do you have? כמה זמן יש לך? I don't have a lot of time. אין לי הרבה זמן. How much time do you have? כמה זמן יש לך? I have a little bit of time. יש לי קצת זמן. How much money do you have? כמה כסף יש לך? I have a lot of money. יש לי הרבה כסף. Next inflection. He has, literally, there is to him. יש לו. יש לו. He doesn't have, literally, there is not to him. אין לו. אין לו. She has, literally, there is to her. יש לה. יש לה. She doesn't have, literally, there is not to her. אין לה. אין לה. How many friends does he have? כמה חברים יש לו? He has some friends. יש לו קצת חברים. How much time does he have? כמה זמן יש לו? He doesn't have much time. אין לו הרבה זמן. How much money does he have? כמה כסף יש לו? He has a lot of money. יש לו הרבה כסף. How many girlfriends does she have? כמה חברות יש לה? She has a few girlfriends. יש לה כמה חברות. How much time does she have? כמה זמן יש לה? She has plenty of time. יש לה הרבה זמן. How much money does she have? כמה כסף יש לה? She has some money. יש לה קצת כסף. Next inflection, we have. There is to us. יש לנו. יש לנו. We don't have. There is not to us. אין לנו. אין לנו. You have masculine plural. There is to you guys. יש לכם. יש לכם. You don't have. There is not to you guys. אין לכם. אין לכם. You girls have. There is to you girls. יש לכן. יש לכן. You don't have. There is not to you girls. אין לכן. אין לכן. How many friends do you guys have? כמה חברים יש לכם? We don't have many friends. אין לנו הרבה חברים. We have some friends. יש לנו קצת חברים. How much money do you girls have? כמה כסף יש לכן? We have a lot of money. יש לנו הרבה כסף. How much time do you girls have? כמה זמן יש לכן? We have a lot of time. יש לנו הרבה זמן. We don't have much time. אין לנו הרבה זמן. Next inflection, they have. Literally, there is to them. יש להם. יש להם. They don't have. Masculine plural. There is not to them. אין להם. אין להם. They have. Feminine plural. There is to them. יש להן. יש להן. They don't have. There is not to them. אין להן. אין להן. How many friends do they have? כמה חברים יש להם? They have many friends. יש להם הרבה חברים. How much money do they have? כמה כסף יש להם? They have a lot of money. יש להם הרבה כסף. They don't have much money. אין להם הרבה כסף. How many girlfriends do they have? כמה חברות יש להן? They have a lot of girlfriends. יש להן הרבה חברות. How much time do they have? כמה זמן יש להן? They have a lot of time. יש להן הרבה זמן. They don't have much time. אין להן הרבה זמן. Excellent work, guys. So I hope that this exercise worked out well for you. If it didn't, obviously rewatch the video and redo the exercise again. So that's it for this lecture. I'm going to see you in the next one.